Hello friends, if you are new to React or just want to improve your skills, I welcome you to follow us as we take a deep dive into react.js. This series will take you from beginner level, explaining the fundamentals of React, to a more advanced level where we explore concepts such as higher order functions, refs, React portals, React hooks, and much more. Are you ready? Let's get started. So the first question you may ask is, what is React? Well, React.js is an open source JavaScript library that is used mainly in development of front-end applications. React was developed by Facebook in 2011 and provides developers with a new way to render website elements on the screen. React is the most popular JavaScript library for building user interfaces. As seen on Google Trend, React is dominating the front-end sphere. So if you like to stay on top of your front-end career, you should learn React. Here are some reasons why I think that you should choose React. React was created with the single focus to create components for web applications. A React component can be anything in your web application, like a button, text, labels, or an entire form. The React API is very simple to learn. It also has very few concepts you need to understand before you start building your personal projects. Here is a basic example of a React component. React library is a perfect choice when you want to develop single-page applications, as it can rewrite and update content on the web page without requiring your page to be reloaded in the browser. Large social media websites such as Instagram, Facebook, and Reddit also use React.js as their front end. As we continue along with this series, we will learn that React not only allows us to build web applications, but it also allows us to use React Native to build mobile applications and even create desktop applications using tools like Electron, which can run on both Mac and Windows using React technology. So as we can see, React is definitely a great tool to work with, and throughout this series, we will use it to build out our web applications. I hope you learned something today and look forward to seeing you in our next video. Please like if you enjoyed this tutorial and subscribe to my channel if you would like to see more of these videos. Until next time, keep learning.